Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find quality score in Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. To find your quality score in Google Ads, follow these steps. First of all, log into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the keywords section in the left menu. Click the columns icon in the upper right corner of the table. Select Modify Columns for Keywords. Open the Quality Score section. Add the quality score and its components to your statistics table. Your quality score is a diagnostic tool that helps you understand how well your ad quality compares to other advertisers. It's measured on a scale from 1 to 10 and is available at the keyword level. A higher quality score means that your ad and landing page are more relevant and useful to someone searching for your keyword. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.